Major relief for ex-U.S. President Donald Trump in the classified documents case. A Florida judge has dismissed the criminal case against Trump, citing, and I quote, unlawful appointment and funding of special counsel Jack Smith. Welcoming the ruling, Trump has called for all cases against him to be dismissed. The Republican leader's legal team has urged the judge to drop the case after the Supreme Court ruling that said partial presidential immunity applies to Trump for official acts. His lawyers further argue that Donald Trump is, and I quote here, the victim of selective prosecution and is being targeted by Democrats as he seeks to regain the presidency. Trump was charged with mishandling classified documents and endangering national security in the process. This is one of 4 criminal cases against Trump, which have made headlines since the presidential race kicked off earlier this year. Let's take a look at where the 3 other cases stand. In January 6th Capitol riots case, Trump faces allegations of pressuring officials to reverse the results and knowingly spread lies about election fraud. The trial is yet to begin in the case. To remind our viewers, thousands of Trump supporters had stormed Capitol Hill on January 6, 2021 in a bid to disrupt a joint session of Congress that had convened to certify the results of the presidential election of 2020, which was won by Joe Biden. Next up, the hush money case, in which the jury delivered a historic verdict of convicting Trump on all 34 counts, but following the Supreme Court ruling which grants partial immunity to Trump for presidential acts, the former U.S. president's lawyers have filed a plea seeking dismissal of the case, citing the top court's opinion. Given the development, sentencing has been pushed to 19th of September this year. Before that, the judge will hear the defense's plea on September 6th. In the third case, Trump is accused of criminally conspiring to overturn his defeat in Georgia during the 2020 presidential election. As per the latest developments in the case, the Georgia court has halted all proceedings in the election subversion case. The court said the case will be on hold until a panel rules on whether Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis should be disqualified. The verdict is not expected before March next year. Since all the accusations come to light, the Republican leader has referred to all charges against him as quote-unquote witch hunt. So far, Trump has not pleaded guilty in any case. His legal team continues to fight to either have cases dismissed or delayed till after presidential elections are held.